Hi, today on our garage, the Jimny is going to get power steering. So we picked up this power steering on Facebook, and the link will be in the description.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Alright, so you can see we're gonna have to move this radiator hose and radiator pipe. Really connects the two radiator hoses. It's going to be right in the way of the pump, so it really just needs to go over, I don't know, an inch or something. And it's connected by this bracket right here, 2 bolts, and I think it's just molded or welded onto this pipe or whatever. It's part of it, I believe. So I'm going to take it off and bend it and see if I can move this pipe, maybe loosen up the clamps on both sides and see if we can just rotate that pipe up only maybe like 1.5 inches. And I think we should probably be okay, but I may just take it all the way out and put the power steering in and then figure out how much clearance we have to put it back in. I don't know, we'll see.
Update time. Okay,
So what did we do so far?
we got it on.
We got it on.
We got it on.
So we put We ended up having to move that radiator hose, that pipe, and has a bracket there, so we beat the crap out of it a couple of times, bent it around. It probably needs to be a little bit different, but it'll keep all the hoses in place and not have and not touch our current power steering. We got all the rag joint hooked up. We got the other side hooked up. Now we gotta bolt the bracket to the frame and then hook up the electrical.
And
Put everything back on.
yep, put everything back on. And then power steering.
So you can see down here. Oh, you can't see anything down here, can you? It's dark. Where's that flashlight? The guy that makes these little kits is named Greg, and he made me a special one for the Jimny because the power steering goes on the other side, obviously, and hopefully that will help some our other folks out. And the bracket was perfect, fits right on there. I'm gonna drill a hole in there and throw a bolt in it. We'll be good to go. Greg.
Thanks, Greg.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Okay. Let's put it on.
So I think when it's tabled.
Look, it's a seat for my butt. You think it'll hold my fat ass?
Yeah, dude, it's freaking attached to the
Let's go, Daddy.
winch there.
I could be your winch.
You are my winch.
That really hurt my butt cheeks.